Good morning, students. As I have finished the explanation of this particular chapter 2 inside our art on my previous online class, so today I shall discuss exercises of this chapter. So let's start. So, number 1, answer the following question. So, number 1, what are the three layers of the art? So the answer is three layers of the art are crust, mantle, and core. So the next question is what is a rock? So the answer is a rock is a natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the art's crust. Rocks can be of different color, size, and texture. Now, the question number 3, name three types of rocks. So the answer is the three types of rocks are igneous rocks, also known as primary rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. So, the next question is how are extrusive and intrusive rocks formed? So, the answer is when the molten lava comes on the Earth's surface, it rapidly cools down and becomes solid. Rocks formed in this way on the crust are extrusive igneous rocks. Again, sometimes the molten magma cools down deep inside the Earth's crust. Solid rocks so formed are actually intrusive igneous rocks. So the next question number 5. What do you mean by a rock cycle? So the answer is one type of rock changes to another type under certain conditions in a cyclic manner. This process of transformation of the rock from one to another is known as the rock cycle. Let's understand it through example. So, igneous rocks change into sedimentary rocks. When the igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to heat and pressure, they change into metamorphic rocks. The metamorphic rocks, which are still under great heat and pressure, melt down to form molten magma. This molten magma again can cool down and solidify into igneous rocks. So, question number 6, what are the uses of rocks? So, the answer is hard rocks are used for making roads, houses, and buildings. Stones are used in many games such as 7 stones, hopscotch, 5 stones, etc. Now, question number 7. What are metamorphic rock? So the answer is when the igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to heat and pressure, they change into metamorphic rocks. For example, clay changes into slate and limestone into marble. Now, next is tick the correct answer. So, number 1, the rock which is made up of molten magma is. Options are A. Igneous, B. Sedimentary, and C. Metamorphic. So the answer will be igneous rock. So number 2, the innermost layer of the art is. The options are A. Crust, B. Core, and C. Mantle. And the answer will be B. Core. Next, number 3. Gold, petroleum, and coal are examples of A. Rocks, B. Minerals, C. Fossils. And the answer will be B. Minerals. Next, number 4. Rocks which contain fossils are A. Sedimentary rocks, B. Metamorphic rocks, C. Igneous rocks. And the answer will be A. Sedimentary rocks. Number 5, the thinnest layer of the art is, options are A, crust, B, mantle, and C, core. And the answer will be A, crust. Now match the following. So 1, core. So core will be, that will be number E, innermost layer. Number 2, minerals. So minerals will be number D, that is, has definite chemical composition. Number 3, rocks. So rocks, the answer will be B, used for roads and buildings. Number 4, clay. It will be number F, that is, changes into slate. So next will be 5, that is Siol. So the answer will be C, that is made of silicon and alumina. So students, today I have discussed the exercises of the chapter 2 inside our art. Hope it will be helpful for you all. Here I conclude. Thank you.